Hey guys, so it is official that OnePlus is announcing its latest flagship, the OnePlus 80 on 14th next month at 7:30 PM IST and 4 PM CEST. This is just after the iPhone 12 launch event which is likely kicking off on 12th. So yeah, two main launches happening and I'm excited for both. Now OnePlus already listed the 80 with some giveaway contests on Amazon, and this also gave us confirmation on some main specifications. So 120Hz fluid display is confirmed. Last year they used 90Hz on the 70, which works really fine and amazing. So yeah, of course 120Hz is gonna be buttery smooth. See, with these display specifications, OnePlus is going one-on-one against Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, officially coming today. However, the S20 Fan Edition got some really thick bezels. It is hideous for sure. So the 80 wins in design language and the flat display is okay for me. I would prefer curved display. But yeah, that is fine, and the back design with the rectangular camera module looks not bad. Some teasers on Chinese social media website Weibo also hints on faster charging, which we all know is 65 watts super warp. Right now 30 watts break charges the OnePlus 8 in 1 hour 15 minutes around, so 65 watts does not mean it will take less than half time, but you can expect the OnePlus 80 from 0 to 100% in 30-40 minutes, which is also amazing. We still have no confirmation of it is coming with 865 CPU or 865 Plus, but it is gonna be former, I think. And we finally have the price leak for the OnePlus 80, credits to a reliable leaker. He says 8/128 gigs model is coming for 799 euros, which is not bad. The 12/256 gigs variant is coming at 899 euros. The OnePlus 8 starts 699 euros and the 8 Pro starts 899 euros. So 799 euros is a fine price for the specifications you are getting. You can expect a similar pricing for India and the US, like in between the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Surprisingly, in comparison, the pricing of Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be 699 euros for Exynos variant. You can skip that, and 799 euros for the 865 CPU variant. So two phones, different brands at a similar price, Galaxy S20 Fan Edition versus the OnePlus 80. The S20 Fan Edition got some pros like IP68, wireless charging, Samsung Super AMOLED display, and of course flagship level camera. The 80 on the other hand gets a really good design, 65 watts fast charging, and Oxygen OS, which might be good for long run, but yeah, I would